Hello mga passionate love! So my name is Amy of Amy's Passion Diary and welcome upon sa YouTube kanal. So for today's video, magre-review na naman ako ng mga new products from Yasss Cosmetics. So last video ko, nag-review ako ng foundation nila that they recently released. So this time, lip products naman kasi nag-release sila ng fall collection and I was so excited kasi napaka-cute ng mga nirelease nila new items and talagang right up my alley. So hindi ako makapag-figure, so I asked like my boyfriend to get a few items na gusto ko i-try na products from this fall collection. So I got only a few items like this two lipstick right here na as I said it belongs to the fall collection and as well as yung liquid lipstick nila. So before we started sa review na ito, I just want to say thank you to all my 800 plus subscribers. So we've reached more than 20-30 plus subscribers and that's really a lot and super excited ako. We are almost reaching 1K subscribers, so nakakatuwa. Yeah, it's been a while since nagawa ko ng channel. Alright, so mag-start na tayo sa ating product review. So we're going to start off sa lipsticks kasi ito yung madaling tanggalin. Pag nag-start na sa liquid lipstick and napaka-long lasting niya, that's gonna be painful against sa aking lips. So, let's start off with something mild. Mild pa. So, magtala tayo sa lipsticks. And, nag-release sila ng actually 12 colors. I'm on their website right now. These lipsticks are called their Velvet Matte Lipstick. And, yeah, I got two shades. The number 3 and number 10. So, magkakaroon ako ng close-up, kind of sort of clip para makita nyo sila ng closer kung ano talaga yung color nila. So, as I said before, these are products, or if I mentioned already, these are from their fall collection. And they really released such a very interesting colors. Really lovely to try it out. And I'm going to read like the main description of this product. So, it says here that this has a matte finish, feels pleasant on the lips, and has a strong color dispersion. So, yeah, so we can expect na sobrang pigmented na mga lipstick na to as what I read dito sa description nila. And feels pleasant, hindi siya nakaka-bother kapag ka nasa lips na. And it has a matte finish. Okay, so let's talk about yung packaging nila. It's very simple and slick. Yung lid niya, yung takip niya, they're not actually the same colors. You can see this one is a bit darker than the other. This one is more like on a peachy color and this one is kind of like burgundy. But it doesn't actually correspond kung ano yung color ng bullet niya or actual color niya. So as you can see, packaging niya is also silver and meron siya ditong logo ng Essence. I don't think that you can see that, but meron siya ditong logo. Napaka-cute niya. Yung initial ng Essence is nandito. So adorable. And another thing nakalagay dito, meron siyang sticker underneath na nakalagay yung what type of lipstick it is at saka yung shade niya, yung number ng shade niya nakalagay dito. And yung actual name ng shade kasi not just the numbers corresponds to the lipstick but meron din silang name separately sa mga lipstick. So like for example this one is number 10. This is in the shade Greedy Coffee. So I think na let's open this one since I already tell you kung anong shade ito. So eto siya. So, pinili ko yung dalawang shade na to kasi these are something that I know that I will wear like from day-to-day basis lalo na kapag fall and winter season. Kasi yung shade niya, yun yung talagang vibe para sa akin ng fall and winter. So, eto sila. As you can see, this one is more like, on the camera, it's kind of look like, yeah, it's kind of like on the pink undertone but still on the brown side. And then the other one is like, on a brownish terracotta shade na may pagka-pink tone in my opinion. So another thing that you will notice, ito ang una natin isa-swatch by the way, number 10, as I said, Greedy Coffee. And you will notice na meron siyang essence na na letter E na Essence Cosmetics or Essence Initial na naka-engrave sa actual bullet. So, the fact na naka-engrave yung initial ng Essence dito sa lipstick, sa actual bullet, I kind of feel like it's kinda more on a luxurious side because I only see, I think, yung mga mamahaling lipstick na merong naka-engrave na logo ng brand nila.
I forgot the parts I'm missing. I pretend that we are okay, like nothing's ever broken. And I pretend that we are dancing, like the nights are never ending.
Alright, so ito na yung shade na Greedy Coffee. Looking sa aking monitor, hindi siya, and onto my mirror, hindi siya, I was expecting when you say Greedy Coffee, it's kind of like more on a brownish kind of sort of color. So, itong color na to, I will describe it as a wine kind of type of color. Napaka-smooth ng texture niya, napaka-creamy niya. Hindi siya mahirap i-apply at all and it felt really moisturizing sa lips. So, I definitely enjoy yung formula ng lipstick na to. And it's very pigmented as well. Alright, so ang next shade na isa-swatch natin is number 3. And this one is in the shade Dusty Romance. So, nakita nyo na yung color niya earlier. So, ayan siya. May pink tone siya. It's kind of like, I don't know, it's kind of like lime. Meron siyang purple na hint. And at the same time, kind of pink tone also. So, this is another color na sobrang ganda niya. Like, na you can wear it every day. Na, gusto ko yung color niya na may pagka-pinkish, lilac type of color. You can wear this every day, in my opinion. And, napaka-moisturizing niya sa lips. I don't see the point of really the velvety matte texture. So, I just kind of feel like it's just your regular lipstick. I don't honestly understand the purpose of the name like Velvet Matte because it's just really a moisturizing lipstick on your lips. Alright mga loves, so we are done on the lipstick. So we're gonna move on to these products right here, which is Essence Cosmetics released their own liquid lipstick. How exciting is that? Because Essence Cosmetics, sobrang affordable. This one retails for $2.89 I believe when I asked my boyfriend to order it. I think it was only $2.89 and the lipstick was $2.39, €2.39. So they are very obviously affordable. So as you can see, I ordered like literally like nude shades. Nothing wrong with that, but I wish that I kind of like, alam mo yun, in-expand ko yung color selection ng binili ko na liquid lipstick instead of just all nude color. Because you can see, this is like a peachy color. This one is more like on a pinkish side, and this one is more on a brown mocha type of color. So these products are actually called the Essence Color Boost Mad About Matte, and they release actually 10 different shades to choose from. I am actually on their website at the moment. And wait a second, let me scroll it down. So you can see they released like 10 different shades, and there's definitely a variety of colors. So let's start off with like the peachy color one. This one is called I Love You Me Neither. So cute, ang cute ng name nila. And the other one, this one right here, the pinkish kind of nudish color is called Wanna Play number 3. And then the brown or mocha type color is called Dusty Romance. Diba? Meron akong 3 different kinds of nude na color. Yeah, this one contains actually 8 ml of product. Retails for $2.89 at the Kruidvat website. So the packaging of this liquid lipstick is obviously very simple, very sleek, and this particular part of the liquid lipstick, the tube, it's definitely just a matte, pure matte container, and this one as well is just a matte lid or the handle. Alright, so andito ako sa website. So it says here that this liquid lipstick dries into a powdery matte finish. So that's kind of unique, isn't it? And it covers the lips in high coverage colors like nude, red, pink, or purple. The texture feels lovely and light on the lips, and it's kiss-proof. So that's a good thing. So it's kiss-proof, and I really like liquid lipstick na hindi nagta-transfer sa cheeks or sa lips ng boyfriend ko when we kiss. So let's open it para makita natin yung ano niya, applicator. So the first one we're gonna swatch is I Love You Me Neither number 2. Oh, it has a very unique doe foot applicator. So you can see, it has this kind of like hourglass type of shape. So I don't know how long it's gonna take for it to set on my lips, but we're going to give it a little bit time para mag-set siya, para malaman natin at matest nga natin. So first things first mga Bestie Loves, yung actual tube niya tsaka yung color na nasa loob is not the same at all. They're completely different. As you can see, it's more on like a pink tone, and it feels definitely very lightweight sa lips, and it sets really fast, which is unbelievable kasi sobrang affordable nito, and then it sets really fast, so you need to work a little bit faster than yung regular liquid lipstick na ginagamit ninyo kasi nagsiset siya ng mabilis sa lips nyo. And it feels definitely comfortable sa lips, and hindi siya heavy at all. And the shade, I'm not really a fan of. Probably if you have lighter skin than mine, mag-work siya sa inyo. Pero kung medyo mura na kayo katulad ko, hindi ko bet yung color niya para sa skin tone ko. Kind of wash me out a little bit. And let's see kung magta-transfer siya sa kamay ko. So you can see there's nothing on at the back of my hand. Wala, besh! Pak! Hindi siya nag-transfer, nakakaloka. Wala talaga, promise. This one, it's kind of easy to remove. Anyhow, so let's move on to this shade. We're going to swatch it. This is in the shade Wanna Play Once More number 3. You guys, this shade though, Wanna Play, sobrang ganda ng color payoff niya. This is something that I will be definitely wearing every day if I am feeling like wearing liquid lipstick. Definitely appropriate for every day. It's kind of like my lips but better, yung shade niya. Alright, so isa-swatch natin yung very last shade, which is Dusty Romance. This is number 1. This is this kind of like brownish mocha color. By the way, this liquid lipstick has this kind of mocha scent. And yeah, I know for sure that this is kind of like a mocha scent kasi marunong kumain ng mocha cake.
Like nothing's ever broken, and I pretend that we are dancing like the nights are never ending. We will live the life, we will live the life, live the life, we will live the life in the fast lane. We will live the life, we will live the life, live the life, we will live the life in the fast lane.
Yung shade na Dusty Romance, and another shade na sobrang gustong gusto ko. Ang ganda ng color niya, ng color payoff niya sa lips ko, napaka-pigmented niya. This one is toned really on a brownish side na nude still. So that's a wrap mga love. So naswatch natin yung lipstick at saka yung liquid lipstick, and sobrang ma-recommend ko sila, both of them, yung lipstick at saka liquid lipstick. Kasi maganda yung color payoff nila, sobrang pigmented nila. Yung lipstick, napaka-moisturizing niya sa lips. So, kung gusto nyo ng very pigmented na lipstick, try this Velvet Matte lipstick na Essence kasi napakamura niya and napaka-pigmented niya. So, maganda siya para sa mga best loves ko dyan na sobrang dry yung lips kasi sobrang moisturizing niya at hindi siya nasiset sa crack ng lips niyo. So, that's a very good product to try out. And maganda rin yung color selection nila. So, definitely try them out. And these two colors, I really love them both and I will continue using them. Tapos, yung liquid lipstick naman, nakita nyo naman napaka-pigmented niya. Talagang kiss-proof siya. As you can see, walang ka-transfer sa likod ng kamay ko. And napakamura niya for $2.89. You cannot beat that price para sa liquid lipstick ng drugstore. So, I highly recommend them. Just be aware with the color selection kasi may mga shade na pwedeng hindi bumagay sa inyo. Like me, hindi ko bet yung yung I Love You Me Neither, yung number 2 na shade. Na-wash off niya ako sobra kasi hindi siya bagay sa skin tone ko. Yeah, I covered up everything that you need to know sa mga products na ni-review ko today. And sana magustuhan niyo siya and you find it helpful as well. And if you do, please give this video a thumbs up. And mag-subscribe na rin kayo. It's for free. And i-click nyo na rin yung notification bell para ma-notify din kayo sa mga new uploads ko dito sa aking channel. And ayun lang, I guess. I'm going to provide the information for these products that I review today. So check the description box para just in case na interested kayo sa mga products na to or what shades that actually have in here. So ayun lang mga best loves. So as always, be confident and stay grounded. Bye everyone!